Hi everyone, long time no see, right? I'm gonna tell you that, let me clear you that why I didn't come. I used to upload some video on Facebook and also my YouTube channel, but I couldn't come back in front of camera because I used to make some calls or something, this sort of video, because I just stuck inside of my home because that's the rainy season and everything is changed and it's been raining for last long time, approximately 2 weeks. And it's not like that it uninterrupted raining for, it's been raining for 2 weeks. Sometimes it's like not raining but it's for a while, so and then again and again raining is start and I couldn't come outside. And even I was having hard time to making video even inside of my home because I have a tin set house where rain is come, it makes so noise and it sounds like so many people screaming together. So that's really like bad. I'm really sad I couldn't come in front of camera. And you can see the weather, like where I'm making the video right now, and that's the place I used to come and making video all the time. But the places you can see right now, that's like a horrible. You can see the weather. I used to show you guys this place before and that was really pretty cool and everything was dry, and I told you guys before that that's gonna be dry when the rainy season will come. And this the place. It was, we used to utilize the place to play football, but now we're like corrupting different kind of crops. You can see behind of me as well, and that's the place. And can you see that, like this is the place and that my house, and this is the place where I used to come from my house and then sits here and then I start making video. But that's the place, is there is no way to go there, and I have to use this far away from here, which is take a lot of time to come here. And also now it's not raining, so that's why I just come here, and that's the place where I make video before. And like in this palm tree, close to the palm tree, and look at this, like that's also a horrible place. Look at this, there is a hole. Anytime the Russell vipers can come out from the hole and it can bite me, I have to be careful about it. So again I come here, and a few moments ago I just got insect and insect bite me, and I'm literally having pain in my knee. So that's the thing, that's why I couldn't come here, and that's the thing everyone, and long time no see, that's why I say. And that's the thing happening with me, and I love to travel, I love to exploring, I love to show you guys different kind of places, but that's not gonna happen because of the circumstance. So if I get any opportunity to travel anywhere, I will try to explore it, whether it's my local area, whether it's my, the thing is that like the people, every time I feel shy when I go like in public place where is so many people and people are backbite and people will make fun of me casually. I don't really know what happened. So though I just try to do that before, like when I went to the market, when I went to the park, and I tried to do that, but I saw that people are kind of make me shy. So don't worry, I'm just gonna be shameless person that I told you, all the people those who are trying to learn English, so you have to be shameless. So if I can't utilize or implement this kind of advice or suggestion in my life, that's the meaningless that how I can suggest you to be shameless. So that's the thing. Oh my god, sorry. That's the thing that I wanted to mean, like I will probably come back again here and try to make video again and again, and that's all from today. I just come here to let you know that I just come back again and I'm gonna make video, and let's see the circumstance. And I don't know how much you can hear me because there's so windy place and wind is blowing here, so like I don't really know what to say. Okay, sometimes I just lose my lack of vocabulary. I just interrupt and I have a look. The everywhere it is like there's the crops. It's gonna be, the whole field is gonna be like a paddy field, and a few days later, and this place is also kind of noisy because of the wind, and also because of this. I don't really know what's that. That's called, people are cultivating the crops by that. Can you see that? So that's why this place is kind of windy, I mean noisy, and also wind is blowing here, that's why it's also noisy. And that's the thing happening here. I just come back again, and can you see the lungi? Okay, I don't know, I'm using the back camera, and I'm trying to show myself how much you can see me. I don't really know. This video is gonna be gradually fucking like, I'm sorry, it's gonna be a like a crazy video, like I'm gonna be crazy doing this kind of stuff. There is a goat here, and that's how I try to let you know that that's a message that you can practice your English just like this, just like crazy, and whatever come your mouth, try to say that and try to explore that whatever come to your mouth, and that will give you a fluency, and that's how you can practice. That's the way I am practice and making videos. Sometimes I upload it on the social media, and people can like let me know that where I have a problem, where did I mistake, and people can I don't really catch my mistake. I can't catch my mistake. You can't catch your mistake. As a speaker, I can catch my mistake, and as a listener, people can catch my mistake. So if you are listening to me, please catch my mistake and comment me down below and let me know, do I make any mistake? Do I have a plan to making traveling vlog video in English? So that's really important for me to be a good English speaker. So thank you, you guys have a nice day, and that's the way. Thank you, and I'm gonna say goodbye.